Okay, let's rotate our neck side to side. Neck up and down. Full neck rotation. Go slow. Keep your eyes open. Keep breathing. Reverse. Okay, place your hands on your shoulders and rotate. Reverse. Alright, now swing your arms in big circles. Reverse. Alright, now arms up and down. Okay, arms open and close. Okay, legs shoulder width apart, hands on your waist, rotate your trunk. Reverse. Alright, now join your legs, fold your knees and rotate. Reverse. Alright, rotate your foot from the ankles. Reverse. Alright, change. Reverse. Alright, now stand with your legs shoulder width apart, lock your knees. Lift yourself up, bend down on one side, try to touch the toe of one side, then the other and come back up. Let's do that 5 circles clockwise and 5 anti-clockwise. Make sure you come up full, and once you come up, give yourself a stretch, again go down. Yes, complete 5 circles clockwise and then reverse. Yes, keep doing that. Okay. Alright. Once you are done, swing your legs front and back, keeping your body stable. Try to push it back as further as possible. Okay, change. Front and back. Okay, relax. Jog on the spot for 30 seconds. Okay, we have 3 warm-up exercises. The first one being a squat. So, stand with your legs shoulder width apart, toes pointing straight, bend yourself down, push your hips down and come back up. So, watch it from the side. So, you are here, push your hips back and come back up. Yes, let's do that 10 times. Start. Yes, good. Yes, and when you come up, you will not lock your knees. Your knees will always remain soft. Try to go as deep as possible and again come back up. Yes. 10 counts. Once you are done 10 counts, you will start jogging again. Okay. Alright, the next movement is a walking high knees. So you will Walk with a high knee. You march like that. You can swing your arms also along. Let's do that for 30 seconds. Lift your knee as high and make sure you don't bend your upper body. So don't do this. You need to keep your body stable. Just lift up your legs as high as possible. 10 more seconds. Okay, relax. Jog on the spot slightly. Alright, the next warm-up movement is your half sprawls. And how are we going to do it? So from here, you go down, take one leg back, other leg back, bring one leg forward, other leg forward and stand up. Okay, easy, no jumping, no high impact. So again, go down, we do that 5 on each leg. So first take left leg back, then take right leg back. Do this 5 on each, making a total of 10. Start, yes. Have some gap between your legs when you start. So when you go down, you should be here. Take one leg back, other leg back, bring forward and stand up. Yes. Don't join your legs. You need to keep your legs shoulder width apart. Yes. Carry on, 10 counts. Okay. Join in Parag, start jogging on the spot. Parag, start jogging, yes. And those of you who are done will also start jogging. We will be doing one more round of warm-up. Okay? Alright. Let's start with second round. Parag, now you can join. Legs shoulder width apart, toes pointing straight. Push your hips back, squat and come up. 10 counts of squat and come back up. Try to warm up your glutes. Go down as further as possible. Push your hips back. Make sure your knees don't cross the toe line. So if you're here, you should not be squatting like this. You should be pushing your hips back and try to sit down as deep as possible and come back. 10 counts and again start jogging for 10-15 seconds. Alright. The next movement is your high knees march. We will be doing 10 on each side. Start. Lift your knee as high as possible. Yes, 10 on each side. Try to lift up as high. Yes, very good. Carry on, 10 on each. After that, 10 seconds of jog. Good morning, Divya. Okay, alright. The next warm-up movement is your walking sprawls or half sprawls. So you stand with your legs shoulder width apart. You go down, legs back, and then legs forward and get up. 10 counts of this. Walking sprawls, yes. 10 counts. Good. Yes. Once you are done, you again jog for 10-15 seconds. Yes, keep jogging, those who are done. Alright, relax yourself. Now, let's move to the workout. So, today we are going to do CrossFit HIIT. So, we are doing HIIT with some CrossFit movements in it. The workout is AMRAP, which is as many rounds as possible, and the time cap is 12 minutes. Okay, so in 12 minutes, you have to do as many rounds as possible of the following movement and with the following count. So, for example, if you want to take a breather in between after one set, you can take your own breather. You will be working out on your own for these 12 minutes. Movements are very simple. 4 movements are there. Try to score maximum counts, at least 3 to 4 sets. should be done. So 3 is minimum. I want everyone to do at least 3 sets. But yes, you can reach up to 6, 7 as well. Alright, the first movement is high knees. Now for this, we are going to do jumping high knees or running high knees, as in you are on the spot and you move your legs faster with a high knee. Alright, let's practice that 5 on each side right now, everyone. High knees, yes. Yes, focus on taking your knee as high. Yes, okay, relax. The next movement is your plank ducks. Okay, and how are we going to do it? Just watch. You start with your high plank or palm plank pose. Now from here, bring your legs forward like this and then take it back. Movement goes like this. Yes, now watch it from the front. And here, I bring my legs forward, my legs come in between my arms. Okay, not joined, slightly apart, not like this. Okay, or not like this. Okay, your knees have to be inside. Okay, yes, so the movement goes like this. Okay, got it? Let's practice that 2, 3 counts. Yes. Okay. Alright, relax. Okay. The next movement is your goblet squats. Easy movement. You will be holding a dumbbell in this case. So, your dumbbell is here, right across your chest. Okay. Don't place it on the chest, slightly move it away. Legs are shoulder width apart, toes pointing straight. You bend down in a squat and you come back up. Bend down in a squat, come back up. Let's do that 5 counts. Hey, yeah, everyone, 5 counts. Yes, good. Good, good. Amit, have your toes pointing straight. Don't outturn them, straight toes, yes. Yes, much better. Push your hips back. Your knees should not cross the toe line. Yes. Better, better. Okay, relax. The next movement is your devil press. Today we are going to do devil press with both the hands. Using both the hands we lift up our dumbbells. So just watch it how. So, you have one single dumbbell. You place it on the floor. Okay. Now from here, go down. Legs back, legs forward, lift your dumbbell up, straight. Arms will remain straight, legs back, legs forward, lift your dumbbell up. Go down, legs back, legs forward, lift your dumbbell up. Yes, let's try doing 4 sprawls, 4 devil press right now. Yes. So the second movement is of sprawl only, it is an easy movement. With straight arms, you need to lift your dumbbell up. Okay. Alright, relax. Okay, so these are the 4 movements and every count is 10. So, let me repeat it for you. 10 on each side, high knees. Okay. The second movement, the second movement was your plank ducks. So that is again 10 on each, so 10 on each leg and it has to be done faster. Okay, got it? Third movement, goblet, 10. Okay, and the fourth movement, devil press, again 10. Alright, yes, got it? And you keep repeating this set for 12 minutes. Okay, let's get ready. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start with high knees. Yes, good. 10 on each side, count on your own. If you are done high knees, move to plank ducks. Yes, be in the plank pose. Both the legs in front, both the legs at the back. Yes. Yes, good. Stay in the plank while you do this. Third is your goblet squats. Lift up your dumbbell in the third movement and start squatting. Push your hips back, go down. Yes. 10 goblet squats. Okay, after this you have devil press. Legs back, legs forward, lift the dumbbell up. Again go down. Legs back, legs forward, lift the dumbbell up. Yes, let's do that 10 counts. Yes, very good. Okay, once you have done one round, you should ideally take a breather of 10-15 seconds. Between the movements, have no rest. But yes, after one movement or the other, a 10-15 seconds breather again can be taken in the later sets. But while you are doing one movement and the 10 counts, there should not be any rest. Okay. Those of you who want can start with the second round, starting with your high knees.